What is up, locker heads?
Hello.
We're just here to do a little announcement and also an unboxing. We wanted to tell you guys we have just purchased and cleaned out 2 lockers, so there is going to be 2 separate videos coming out.
Yay.
We just have to edit them and get them up. They were good. One of them was good, and the other one was not so good. So we're gonna have a little bit of variety. But what we wanted to do is we have a local
Upside down.
we have a local
Buy and sell group.
buy and sell group that we run together, and there's actually a lot of people. There's like 3,000 people in it
Over
now.
that now.
4,000, close to 4,000. And we just picked this up from a nice lady named Sherry. It's a Blizzard
Cute but deadly.
Cute but Deadly Series 1 figure.
It's mystery.
It's a mystery one. We don't know what we're going to
Show them the
get.
back. What you could possibly get.
You can get Kerrigan, Artanis, Sylvanas, Zeratul, a Murloc, Diablo, another Murloc, or another Artanis. But those I think are the rarer ones because it's 1 in 36.
Mystery.
1 in 36. So I don't know if you've ever watched my other parts of my channel, but this is just, we like cute little pop vinyls and stuff like that, and we're big fans of Blizzard. Yeah, we got the baby Groot. But since we're doing an announcement, and we just bought this from the lady recently, I think she must buy the loot boxes, but she didn't want this one.
Maybe.
Or
We have
something
no
like
idea.
that.
We
really
don't
have
really
idea.
know how she got
But-
it. We don't ask questions.
Let's do it.
Yay, I'm so excited. I want a Murloc. They're so cute.
Oh, and it looks to be a blind bag. I don't know how to do this.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Dun, dun, dun.
I hope it's Sylvanas.
Oh, it's the blue guy. The Arthas.
Arthas. Oh, I thought it was Artanis.
No, that's Arthas.
Arthas. Where's his sword?
Is there a sword? There's supposed to be a sword?
I think it fell. Well, whatever. We got this dude.
He might have a sword, he might not have a sword.
Let me see, though. Let me see that one on the box.
He has a sword on the box.
Yeah,
I
that's
think-
definitely him.
Oh, wait.
Oh, there's his sword.
Oh. That's not a sword.
That's not his sword.
It's
I'm
his
telling
little
you.
Stand.
His sword fell.
We'll find it
But
somewhere.
this is our little dude.
I love him, he's so cute.
We just wanted to do an unboxing since we just got it, and we wanted to give you guys an update. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time.